Hey, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. This is Cracks in Time. I'm your host, Rick. So I had an eventful day today. I went to work, and near my job is the magical place, the G-Shock Soho, New York City store. And I went there, and I acquired a couple of articles, a couple of beautiful items, this being one of them, the Stranger Things DW-5600 limited edition. To get this out in the open right off the bat, I don't know anything about this picture, this show, this series, whatever it is. I'm not a fan, and I don't mean to upset. I don't mean to offend or upset. I know it's a very popular series. I'm not a fan of any series or any movie. I don't watch movies. I don't watch series. That's just how I am these days. I got out of that kind of stuff about 15 years ago. I just stopped watching movies. I'm a weirdo. What am I going to tell you? I like G-Shocks. So this Stranger Things watch looks really, really awesome. And it speaks to me because it has that death metal aesthetic, even though it has nothing to do with death metal. It looks like a death metal watch. And as a guy in a couple of death metal bands, it kind of calls to me. You know what I'm saying? It looks pretty mean. We'll get to it. There's one thing I don't like about it, and we'll get to that as well. But hey, without further ado, enough of my blabbing here. Let's get to it. I don't know what that means. All right, I'm sorry. I don't know what that means. Stranger Things, Netflix, nice box here. Okay, so we got the model number. DW-5600STT-1 the 3525 module. That module appears in a lot of the 5600s these days, including my Rui Hachimura. One of my favorite squares that I own right now. I love this watch. But yeah, let's get to this. Oh, that's cool. A little inside artwork. All right. We got your warning stuff. Module 3525. Yeah, I have a bunch of watches with this module in it. The Hakusai matching watches, my 5600 BBR, that one, the Rui Hachimura. There we go. Yeah, that looks nice. I love when the G-Shocks still come in a tin, you know? I missed the boat. As we know, I'm a new G-Shock collector. So I kind of missed the boat on the tin craze. I have some from used ones I received. And the collaborations that I purchased. Which now I've acquired a few collaborations. And I'm pretty chuffed about that. Is that the right word? Chuffed? Does anyone? I heard that word like when I was 10. No one uses that word. Let's bring chuffed back. All right. Stranger Things and G-Shock collaboration. This is that newer tin that I saw in, I forget which other watch I recently purchased that has that tin. All right, there it is. It's hard. Oh, there we go. Okay. Hard to see a little bit. Yeah, it's hard to. It's very, very dark in person. Let's see. There's that red LED. So here, this is a basic 5600, as we know, with the number 11. I guess that's the main character's. That's the main character, right? Millie Bobby Brown. That's pretty cool, man. Yeah, that's got that metal aesthetic I like. So the one thing I like, that's cool there. I like how the backlight, the A is upside down. Little cool touches like that. I don't like the logo. if we're being honest, like I said, I'm not a fan of this show. So having a giant logo of it on the watch face is a little bit of a bummer, but I could put up with it. Let me see if different lighting would be better for this. Not really. All right. So let's see the backlight. This is a pretty quick unboxing here. We know what a 5600 is. Let's see the cool backlight on this. Yeah. Red. That's pretty sick. I like that. I wish it was an auto backlight. I wish it was solar. I wish it was a lot of things, but for a collab, a limited collab, I think it's pretty cool. I'm a fan of negative displays, I'll be honest. I don't know what all the hubbub is about. The negativity about the negative displays. I like them. I mean, there's a viewing angle, right? You can see that. People complain about viewing angles. Well, on the 5600s, I guess they don't, but yeah, this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool, man. There we go. There's the back. I haven't shown the back yet with the 3525 module and the Stranger Things engraving. I think it's pretty cool. This is a cool watch. And that's about it. It's like I said, pretty basic, and it's a 5600. We all know what these things are. Everyone watching these probably has a few of them. I know I got quite a few of them now. So hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Keep an eye out for more content of harder to find items, harder to find products, harder to find G-Shocks. That's what I'm trying to get at. All right? You have a good night, and how you doing?